Hello Monopoly Go fans, I've got an exciting discovery to share with you today. I found a secret method online that lets you get unlimited Monopoly Go free dice rolls. All you need are your game ID, the type of device you're using, and the number of dice rolls you want. With this information, the source generates the free dice and credits them directly into your Monopoly Go account. But there's a catch. You need to complete a verification task. Don't worry, it's simple. You just need to download a game and play it until you reach level 9. Once you complete this, the Monopoly Go free dice are added to your account instantly. I was amazed at how well this worked when I tried it. These Monopoly Go free dice links are a real game changer. They make it so easy to keep playing without worrying about running out of dice. Whether you're searching for Monopoly Go cheats or just need more dice rolls, this method is a perfect solution. I came across this method while looking for Monopoly Go free dice in August 2024, and it's been a fantastic find. The process is straightforward. Enter your game details, complete the verification, and enjoy your free dice. It's quick, easy, and most importantly, it works. Safety is always a concern, but I can confirm that this method worked perfectly for me without any issues. The verification step ensures that only real players get the dice, adding an extra layer of security. If you're tired of waiting for your dice rolls to refill or spending money to get more, try this method out. It's the best way to get Monopoly Go free spins and dice rolls effortlessly. Share this video with your Monopoly Go friends so they can enjoy the benefits too. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Monopoly Go experience. Happy rolling and see you next time.